This is English in Tune, where music helps us master English, one song at a time. Today, we're learning English with a classic love ballad, Is This Love by Whitesnake, for beginner and intermediate learners. Perfect for learning simple English phrases and expressing emotions in a romantic way. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to talk about love and emotions.
Should've known better than let you go alone. A time like this can make it on my own. Wasted days and sleepless nights, but I can't wait to see you again. I finally spend my time waiting on your call. I cannot tell you, baby, my back's against the wall. I need you by my side to tell me it's alright, 'cause I don't think I'll think anymore. Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this a love that I've been searching for? Is this love? Oh, am I dreaming? This must be love, 'cause it's really got a hold on me. Hold on to me. Can't stop the feeling in this way before. But you, I found the key, opening the door. I can feel my love for you, getting stronger day by day, and I can really see you again. So I can hold you in my arms. Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this a love that I've been searching for? Is this love? Oh, am I dreaming? This must be love, 'cause it's really got a hold on me. Hold on to me.
Before we dive into the lyrics, let's talk a little about Whitesnake and this amazing song. Whitesnake is a British rock band famous for their emotional songs. Is This Love was released in 1987 and became one of their biggest hits. The song is about someone wondering if what they're feeling is true love, is romantic, emotional, and perfect for learning English. Did you know this song was originally written for Tina Turner? But Whitesnake ended up keeping it. And we're so glad they did it.
Should've known better than let you go alone. A time like this can make it on my own. Wasted days and sleepless nights, but I can't wait to see you again. I finally spend my time waiting on your call. I cannot tell you, baby, my back's against the wall. I need you by my side to tell me it's alright, 'cause I don't think I'll think anymore.
I should have known better than to let you alone. It's times like this, I can make it on my own. Let's break it down step by step. I should have known better. This means I made a mistake and now I regret it. Should have plus past participle is used to express regret about something that wasn't done. In this case, I should have known better means the speaker regrets not realizing sooner that it was a mistake to let the person live alone. For example, I should have studied harder for the exam. She should have called me before arriving. Better than two plus what? The phrase better than two lets you go alone introduces a comparison implying there was a better alternative. Better than is often used to show what someone should have done instead of their chosen action. For example, I should have known better than to trust a stranger. You should have known better than to leave the door unlocked. To let you go alone. This means letting someone live or do something by themselves. For example, I didn't want to let my friend go to the party alone. On my own, a prepositional phrase. On my own emphasizes independence or being alone. I can't make it on my own. The speaker is expressing that they feel incapable of handling the situation without someone else's help or presence. For example, I learned how to cook on my own, or he likes to spend time on his own to relax. She moved to a new country on her own. Phrases like on my own often carry emotional weight inside, conveying loneliness, struggle, or independence. I can make it on my own. This means I can manage or live without you. For example, I can make it on my own without coffee in the morning.
Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this a love that I've been searching for? Is this love? Oh, am I dreaming? This must be love. 'Cause it's really got a hold on me. Hold on to me.
Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this the love that I've been searching for? Here we have a present continuous tense. I'm feeling uses the present continuous tense. Am is are plus verb ing to describe something happening at this very moment. It emphasizes the ongoing nature of emotions the singer is experiencing. For example, I'm feeling nervous about my job interview. She's feeling tired after a long day. You can describe your current emotions using present continuous tense. The singer is asking himself, is this real love that I'm feeling? This means the emotions he's experiencing right now. For example, is this excitement that I'm feeling before my trip? Present perfect continuous tense. I've been searching. I've been searching is an example of the present continuous tense. Have or has plus been plus verb ing. This tense is used to describe actions that started in the past and they're still ongoing or have just recently stopped. Here, it shows the single line or ongoing effort to find love. For example, I've been waiting for the bus for 20 minutes, or he's been working hard on this project. The question structure is this love that I'm feeling. The question begins with is this, which follows the inversion rule for forming a question in English. I mean auxiliary plus subject plus main verb. This structure is common in rhetorical or reflective questions. For example, is this the answer we've been looking for? Rhetorical questions in English, like is this love, are often used to express doubt, confusion, or reflection rather than get an answer. For example, am I really ready for this? Prepositional phrase searching for. Searching for combines the verb searching with the preposition for, indicating the object of the search. In English, certain verbs are always followed by specific prepositions. For example, I'm searching for my kids, or she's looking for a new job. They've been waiting for the train. Love without the refers to love as a general abstract concept or feeling. In the first line, is this love that I'm feeling? The singer is asking about the general idea of love and wondering if what they're experiencing qualifies as a universal emotion. The love with that refers to specific particular love. The second line is this love that I've been searching for. The singer narrows down the focus, referring to a specific kind of love they've been longing for and searching for. Abstract concepts like love, happiness, and freedom are often used without articles when talking about them generally. For example, love is important in life. It's a general idea, or happiness can be hard to find. The definite article there is used when referring to something particular that has been defined or is known in the context. In the lyrics, the love is a specific love the singer has been actively searching for.
Can't stop the feeling in this way before. It's you I found the key, opening the door. I can feel my love for you, stronger day by day, and I can't wait to see you again, so I can hold you in my arms.
I can't stop the feeling I've been this way before, but with you, I found the key to open any door. This verse is full of romantic expressions. Let's break it down. I can't stop the feeling. This means the emotion is so strong that he can't control it. For example, I can stop the feeling of excitement before my birthday. I've been this way before. It's saying that he has felt love in the past, but this time it feels different. I've been nervous before, but this time it feels special. I found the key to open any door. This is a metaphor, meaning he feels love gives him the strength to do anything. Past versus present perfect tense. I've been this way before. I've been this way before uses the present perfect tense, implying he's felt this way at some point in his life, but it's still relevant now, compared with the past simple. I was this way before, which indicate the completed action in the past with no current relevance. Present perfect example. I've eaten sushi before. It means experience up to now. But here, in past simple, I ate sushi last night. It's a completed action in the past. Now it's your turn to shine. Take the phrases we've learned today and create your own sentences to practice. Example 1. I can't stop the feeling. I can't stop the feeling of excitement when I listen to my favorite song. Example number 2. I found the key to open a door. Learning English has given me the key to open doors to new friendships and opportunities. Thank you for joining us. We hope you love learning Islam as much as we did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more songs and lessons. This episode is perfect for beginners, but even if you're more advanced, it's a great way to review and enjoy music while practicing your English. And don't forget to check out our playlist for more beginner level songs. See you next time on English in Tune.